Today we're gonna be making lasagna soup. It's been about a year since I made it, maybe 2, I don't know. And I learned some things, so maybe not really, because we just gonna make it the same. But I feel like my cooking has evolved, so let's just get into it. Before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really just know you are.
Alright y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is just dice an onion. Make this difficult at all. Y'all know how to do this. We ain't even finna get into it. That's done. We just gonna set this aside. Now we're gonna make like our cheese sauce. I don't know what y'all want to call it, but we're gonna take our Boursin cheese. We're gonna put this whole thing in there. This is the fresh garlic and fine herbs. We have ricotta cheese. I'm gonna add, what is this? This is 15 ounces of ricotta, so I'm gonna just use this whole thing because I know I'm not gonna use it for nothing else. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of I'm just gonna eyeball it with this. Go with some Parmesan, just kind of eyeball it. I'm going with a little bit of mozzarella. Then I'm just gonna go with some garlic powder. And a little bit of black pepper. Ooh, it already smells good, y'all. You just want to mix it till it's nice and good and mixed. And you want to have a nice paste like this, thick. We're gonna sit this in the refrigerator until everything else is done. Y'all, I tell y'all about my pan all the time. It's seasoned at this point. Until y'all can tell me how to fix it, this how it's gonna be. Now we're gonna start with a little oil. Add these onions in. This is my garlic, y'all. It's frozen, but it was fresh and then I froze it. So y'all, I got a video on this as well, but I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of garlic. This is about 2 pounds of ground beef, but you can use 1 pound. I'm just using 2 pounds because I'm cooking for a lot of people. Okay, so y'all see we have a lot of grease in here. I'm just going to strain it. Don't strain it down your sink. Strain it in like a bowl or something. A glass bowl, not a plastic bowl. I'm gonna add some fresh chopped basil, or you can use basil paste, garlic paste, whatever you want to use. Put that in for about a minute or 2. Then we're gonna deglaze with about half a cup of wine. Put that down for about a minute or 2, y'all. Just to make sure we cook off that alcohol so that the meat can soak up all of that flavor. We still haven't seasoned this yet, y'all. This smells so good already. Some diced tomatoes. We're gonna add some beef broth this time. Instead of chicken broth, we're gonna do beef broth this time. That was 32 ounces. Put that in there nice and good. I'm gonna go in with my marinara sauce. This is about 24 ounces. This is optional. You really don't have to use marinara, y'all. This is the brand I'm using. Now we want to take our seasonings, y'all. This is seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some oregano and some red pepper flakes, okay? If you don't want to use seasoning salt, just use a little bit of salt and salt it to taste. Taste it, salt it, taste it, salt it. Don't salt it. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it. Going with about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. This is going to thicken it up. If you need some more beef broth, add some more in. Right now I'm going to go in with my lasagna noodles. With your lasagna noodles, it's kind of going to be your preference about how much you think should go in here. So I'm just going to add it and see where we at. You gotta remember, these are gonna get real thick. Oh shit. Too much. Okay, I added a little bit more noodles and a little bit more beef broth. So this is where we at. We're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. We're gonna let it simmer. Cause y'all know these noodles ain't gonna take that long. It's pretty thick. Come on, noodles is gonna make it thick. Parmesan and some mozzarella. Okay, we're gonna add some of this cheese we made. Basil. I'm gonna try to make it look a little pretty too. I'm gonna put me a couple basil right there. Alright y'all, this is how it came out. As you can see, I really didn't need to use that much seasonings, and I did a little bit of a different technique this time. So don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.